The Walking Dead, Expendables 3, Star Trek, and more coming up. Hey everybody, welcome to Netpicks. This is your resource to finding out what to watch online. It's the end of September, which means some titles will be expiring on Netflix. The complete series of Undeclared disappears from Netflix on September 28th. The show was created by Judd Apatow, and it's really underrated. You're going to see a lot of familiar faces, including Jason Segel and Seth Rogen. If you've ever wanted to see Anchorman 2, The Legend Continues, Bad Grandpa, or Jack Ryan Shadow Recruit, they all disappear on September 30th. What else leaves Netflix on the 30th? How about The Expendables 3, The Hunger Games Catching Fire, The Skeleton Twins, Star Trek The Motion Picture, and Star Trek Into Darkness, all gone on the 30th. What about what's new online? On September 27th, the 5th season of The Walking Dead joins the other 4 seasons on Netflix. The 6th season starts on October 11th, by the way. Just added on September 21st was Gotham Season 1. The 2nd season just started, so it's a good time to get caught up. Also added on September 18th was the Netflix documentary Keith Richards Under the Influence. This documentary follows Richards as he records a new album called Cross-Eyed Heart with people like Steve Jordan and Tom Waits. Over on Hulu, you can check out the season finale of Difficult People. Now this Hulu original is produced by Amy Poehler of Parks and Rec fame, and if you like somewhat unlikable characters, it's pretty fun to watch. For a full list of everything coming and going online, check out cnet.com/netpicks. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, thanks for watching.